were here with this client looking actually at some LVT for her basement floor, and we did the kitchen project with her. She had us take a look at her baths. Her baths were outdated. There was 3 bathrooms. There was a hall bath that she wanted to get converted to the tub space into a shower. There was the master bath that she also wanted to update, and finally their basement bath that they really wanted to see some changes happening there. This customer also put in a lot of higher end devices, and they're really cool. I can't wait to show you. Okay, this is the hall bath, where we used to have a tub. We took out the tub and we put a no threshold shower stall the same size as a tub. Also with the grow heat fixtures, a 12 by 24 wall tile with an accent glass tile in the back. We did a double niche, a small niche for bar soap and a bigger niche for shampoo stuff. And here we have the master bath, which we used a beautiful leaf glass tile for the back. We also have the beautiful Grohe shower valves, nice glass corner shelves. We also did the no threshold floor with the custom shower doors. We also did a heated floor here. She chose to go with a toilet backsplash on the back with the quartz because she had a high arcing valve and she wanted to make sure we protected all the surfaces. And this is bathroom 3. Here we have is the tub that used to have a wall right here, and you used to have to step into a deck tub. So we took that out and we installed this quartz tub. This particular tub has a back warmer, has a quart top. It's a Bane Ultra. It's a 66-inch tub. It's a nice tub. It's got laser light show inside the tub as well, besides all your thermal massages. She's also got the higher end grow heat fixtures, which is Roman tub fixtures for the bigger size tub. And this tub even has a dry feature that actually turns on when you're done, and it actually blows air in the tub to push all the water down the drain. She had us put up some nice glass accent tiles throughout, a nice double wide niche for products and stuff to store, to keep it nice and clean. She even has heated floors and a heated towel bar. Here's a nice heated floor that she has here. It's currently set at 88, nice and toasty for my toes. We also relocated her toilet to open up the space to give her all this beautiful area that she had. We put a nice quartz top in, we did the vanity, beautiful grow heat fixtures. At the end of this project, this customer was so happy she had got all of her high-end finishes. The total end of the project turned out to be absolutely astounding.